Hello, my name is Neta Marlina from R4A class. Here, I would like to tell you about using webquest to teach. Before that, I want to tell you a little bit information about webquest. So, what is a webquest? Webquest is a website that comes from the no.com web. Webquest is an inquiry-oriented format in which the most or all the information that learners work with come from the web. A web quest has 5 essential parts. There are introduction, task, process, evaluate, and conclusion. Strength of using webquest is that it offers a method for content-specific technology integration K-12 setting. 2. Webquest can be to fit any lesson plan or subject. 3. Teacher can also create the lesson on the level and ability specific to each of the classes. 4. It can also promote critical thinking, and another strength is to increase student motivation level. In this video, it's webquest for writing skill and the material is capitalization. Let's go!
Okay, in this video, I use 5 features in webquest. There are welcome, introduction, task, process, and conclusion. Part 1 is welcome. In this page, you can see the description, grade level, curriculum, keywords, authors as a teacher. Part 2 is introduction. Stage is normally used to introduce the overall theme of the webquest. And usually the introduction features contains an explanation of the topic or the material. In this page, you can see the description and use of capitalization with example. Number 1, to mark beginning word in the sentence. 2, to mark the use of pronoun I. 3, to mark the use of the proper nouns. 4, to mark the use of interjection. 5, to mark the use of abbreviation and acronym. 6, to mark the use of the first word of direct quotation. 7, to mark the use of major words in titles of book, poem, article, magazine, movie, and work. And I give the attachment for the student about the rules of the capitalization. There are 18 rules. Part 3, task. The task is the formal explanation of what the student is supposed to do. So, teacher can give practice in this page for the student. For the material, the task is there are practice 1 and practice 2. And all students must complete the task. Next is process. The steps the student should take to accomplish the task. For the material, process is 1. Read carefully and understand about the topic. 2. See the rules. 3. Answer the practice 1 and 2. And the last is conclusion. Conclusion is sums up the activity and encourage students to reflect on this process and result. About the material, conclusion is capitalization North American English or capitalization British English is writing a word with its first letter as a capital letter, uppercase letter, and the remaining letters in lowercase in writing system with a case distinction. The term also may refer to the choice of the casing applied to text. And capitalization have 18 rules. Thank you.
I think that's enough for now. Thanks for your kind attention. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep healthy. Bye bye.